Welcome to this quick demo of Project to Payments Project to Request form, the tool that helps you capture qualified leads directly from your website and streamline estimates and project creation. Once this form is added to your website, prospective customers can fill in the details about the project they need completed, including contact info, project description, timeline, and any other custom fields you choose to include. This replaces vague email requests or phone tag with clear, actionable information right from the start. So instead of fielding how much to clean my driveway, you get a structured request with site details that lets you respond faster and with more accuracy. When a customer submits their request, you receive an immediate notification by email, so nothing slips through the cracks. You'll also see the request appear inside Project to Payments dashboard where you can then take action. You can quickly review who submitted the request, their contact details, the description of the work they want completed, and any items or services they've selected. Once you're ready, you have simple options to accept or decline the request. You can then convert an accepted request directly into a project estimate or job, saving you manual entry and reducing turnaround time. And if the requester isn't in your customer list yet, no problem. You can save their contact information as a new customer with one click, keeping your CRM updated as you grow. In just a few minutes, you've turned a website visit into a qualified project lead, moved it into your workflow in Project to Payment, and positioned yourself to respond with a professional estimate. Add the project request form to your website today and start capturing leads that convert. Inside your Project to Payment account, head to Request Page Settings to enable and customize your form. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to take a deeper walkthrough or need help setting this up, visit our support site or contact our team